Good morning, ma'am.
A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing, my dear students?
We all are doing good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Okay, I'm doing great. Thank you very much.
How
My
are
dear
you, ma'am?
students, yes, I'm fine. Thank you, my dear. Today we will be revising lesson number 7, the title of which is The Silly Monkey. The Silly Monkey. So first we will read the lesson and then we will discuss the exercises. Okay?
I can read.
No, I request everybody to keep their devices muted and not speak in between.
Ma'am,
Yeah, if you have any doubts, you can raise your hands.
we have to open textbook.
Yes, of course, we are going to read the lesson, so we need to open the textbook.
Yes.
I request Rex to start reading
Okay,
the
ma'am.
lesson.
Once upon a time,
Hmm.
there lived a king of a big and rich kingdom.
Hmm.
However, he was not happy.
Hmm.
Page number. He wanted more gold and
45.
more land.
Hmm.
He was a greedy king.
Hmm.
He decides to attack other kingdoms.
Oh, he decides. D-E-C-I-D-E-D. How do you read that word?
Decides.
No. Break it and read it. Decided. 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 Which tense is that word in Rex? Which tense form? Decided. We add ed, the suffix ed at the end of words to make which tense form of them?
Ma'am, regarding simple tense.
Simple what tense? Present, past, or future? Decided.
Ma'am, regarding past tense.
Past tense. Yes, right. Very good. Decided. Okay, continue, Rex.
Decided to attack other kingdoms.
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 Mm.
There was a wise minister
Mm.
in his town.
Okay.
He tried to explain to the king
Mm.
that he was not right.
Mm.
To be greedy.
That it was not right.
He was not right to
Mm.
be greedy.
Mm.
My lord, said the minister.
Mm.
A
A king. A king.
A king must look after his people.
Mm.
There are enough riches in this
Mm.
kingdom.
Mm.
There is no need for more.
Mm.
The cost of war is very high.
Mm.
There is a loss of life,
Mm.
property,
Mm.
peace, and happiness.
Mm.
Please think about this again.
Mm.
However, the king's greed did not let him listen.
Did not let him listen. Okay, Rex, you're trying to read quite well, but please do practice reading regularly. Okay, Rex? Thank you. Ameya, continue reading.
Ma'am,
Are you able to recollect the meaning of greedy? Greedy means
greedy means
wanting,
wanting
more.
Wanting more.
Okay. And attack? To attack, to charge and attack
Other people.
the enemies or other countries, people or army of other countries. Okay, yes dear, continue. One day,
One day, he gathered his army to attack another kingdom.
not kingdom, kingdom.
Kingdom. The king and his soldiers walked through.
Not walked, walked,
Walked through.
walked.
Walked
Mm.
through the forest.
Mm.
The
The
whole.
whole,
The whole.
whole. Mm.
The whole morning.
Mm.
After some time, they stopped to.
Not stopped, stopped. Read it together. Stopped.
Stopped.
Very
Stopped to rest.
good.
As they were
Exhausted.
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 Yes, very good. Do you remember the meaning of exhausted, Amia? Exhausted. Just imagine after walking the entire morning in the hot sun through the forest, how will you feel? In the hot sun, how will you feel? Exhausted.
Tired.
Very tired. Exhausted means very tired. Okay, Amia?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? Okay, thank you, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Niharika, continue reading. The
The horses were also tired and hungry. They were given pieces to eat.
peas to eat.
One of the forest monkeys was watching the king's men from the distance. He saw the
From a distance.
from a distance. He saw the horses eating peas. He jumped down from the tree to get some peas.
He quickly
He quickly swallowed a few peas and
filled his mouth.
and hands with many more.
Mm.
Then he climbed the tree and sat on a branch to eat the peas.
To eat the peas. Okay, very good. Anna Mary, continue reading. My dear students, do you remember the meaning of gathered? Gathered. Yes?
Group
Gathered.
people.
Collected. Yes, very good. Gathered. See, all these people have gathered or they have collected here together. And what is this sign trying to tell us?
We are strong.
Unity is
Strong.
strength. Unity is strength. All of them have gathered or they have collected at one place and they have tried to form this
From the
sign. Okay.
Strong sign, yes.
Okay. Yes, Anna Mary, continue. Soldier. A soldier. Exhausted.
Very
What is the
tired.
meaning?
Very
Amir,
tired.
very tired. Yes, very good. Swallowed.
Without chewing.
Eat without chewing. Chewing. Okay, Anna, continue.
Nora, can lead the
No, wait, others wait.
Okay, ma'am.
He was eating the peas. One fell to the ground. The monk got
Startled. Startled.
and
Ran down
to pick
to pick
up
up
that piece.
that piece. Yes,
But the
that pea.
drop
Mm.
piece. But he dropped 4 pieces from his paw.
From his paw.
From his paw.
Mm.
He climbed down the tree.
Mm.
He Un,
Un,
unluck-
unluckily.
unluckily,
Hmm?
he did not find that one
Fallen.
fallen pea.
Hmm?
He climbed the tree again. He
Hmm?
thought to himself.
He thought. Though. Thought.
He thought to himself.
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 Hmm?
I drop off the pea for that one pea.
For that one P. For that one P. Okay, very good. Risa, unmute and read the last paragraph.
They returned to enjoy peace and happiness in their land.
No, I want you to read from the king. The king was.
Watching the monkey from a distance.
Yes.
I will not be like this silly monkey.
Mm.
He has lost a lot to gain, a little. I will go back to my country and enjoy with what I have.
Mm.
Or to him,
Himself.
I return to their country.
They
Himself.
returned. Read the last sentence also.
To enjoy peace.
And happiness.
They return
To enjoy peace and happiness in their land. I think Risa is facing network issues.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, no problem, my dear. You're trying to read well. Thank you. Yes. What is the meaning of startled? Startled means shocked. Startled means shocked. Okay, very good. Now I request everybody to mute their devices. I'm going to ask you the meanings. Yes. Please mute. Okay. Rashid, meaning of greedy.
wanting more.
Spellings.
G-R-R-E-E-D-Y.
Others mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Wanting.
W-A-N-T-I-N-G.
Okay, wanting.
Yum.
It's not yum. M. R-E. More. Wanting more. Okay, very good. Abel Renson, tell me the meaning of exhausted. Exhausted.
Very tired.
Spelling.
D-E-R-E.
Why?
Why?
Others mute. Very tired. Spelling of tired. R-E-D.
R-E-D.
Okay, very good. The meaning of exhausted is very tired. Arfin, tell me the meaning of swallowed. Swallowed.
Eat without.
Eat. Swallowed. E-D. So which form is it? Which tense form is it?
Last. Past tense.
Past tense. Very good. So the meaning also should be written using the same tense. What is the past tense of eat? Ate. Spelling?
E-T-E.
No. A-T-E, eight. Mm. Eight, without,
Without chewing.
doing or chewing?
Chewing.
Chewing, spelling. Mm. Yes. Mm. I-N-G, C-H-E-W-I-G, chewing,
Okay, ma'am.
chewing. Okay, Janita, try the next one, startled. Thank you, Arfin.
Chewing.
Janita, the next word.
Shocked.
Startled,
Shocked.
spelling.
S-H-O-C-K-E-D.
Mm. Yes, S-H-O-C-K-E-D. Shocked, S-H-O-C-K-E-D, shocked.
Ma'am, we want to
Okay,
write.
okay.
To write.
No need.
ma'am.
We are just revising.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Rex, mute your device. Ishan, tell me the meaning of gain. Those who want to answer, just raise your hands. Do not speak in between. It is disturbing everybody. Ishan, read the next word. Abel Rinson, don't bite your pencil. G-A-I-N, gain. What is the meaning of gain? Gain. Huh?
Ma'am, Niharika can.
What is the meaning of gain?
Ma'am, Niharika can try.
Yes, try.
To get.
To get, very good. Spelling?
T-O-2-G-E-T, get.
Yes, very good. Gain means to get. Gain means to get. Okay, very good. Agnes, unmute your device and try to tell me the answer for the first question. Read the question and tell me the answer.
The mister said to the king, it was not right to be greedy.
Huh?
Ma'am, the minister said to the king,
Said that?
said that it was not good for, it was not right to be greedy.
After that, the minister said many other things also, my dear. What is that?
My lord, said the minister.
Okay. No, let her try to answer.
Okay, ma'am.
What are the other things that the minister explained to the king? Think and give me the answer. The minister asked the king or told the king that a king must look after whom?
People.
Yes, a king must look after his people, and then he said many things about the kingdom. What is that?
There are enough resources in the kingdom.
He also said that.
Also said that there is no need for more.
What about the cost of war?
The cost of war is very high.
Yes.
It's a loss of life, property, peace, and happiness.
Yes, very good. And then he asked the king to think about something. Think again about something. What was that?
Please think about this again.
Yes, about the decision to attack once again, right?
Yes.
Please think once again about your decision to attack. Why? Because the cost of war is
Very high.
very high. So you have to put all these things together and try to frame the answer. We have already written it, right? But you must include
ma'am.
all these points because all these points are very important for that question. Understood, Agnes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Good effort, my dear. You have tried to answer very well. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And then Anamika, the second question and its answer.
What would the kingdom lose if there were
Not loss, L-O-S-E, lose.
loss?
What would the kingdom lose if
The kingdom would loss of life, property, peace, and happiness if there were a war.
very good. The kingdom would lose life, property, peace, and happiness if there were a war. Okay, very good. Thank you. Anunaya, the third question and the answer. Come on, tell me. Yeah, Yeah.
What did the greedy monkey do when he saw the pea fall?
Okay. What did he do? The greedy monkey.
The greedy monkey.
What did he do? Where was he sitting when the pea fell down? Try to recollect from there. Where was the monkey sitting when the pea fell down from his paw? Where was the monkey sitting? Was he sitting on the ground or on the branch of the tree?
What, ma'am?
Where was the monkey sitting when the pea fell from his paw? Think. No, Anunaya is not able to recollect. Who wishes to answer? Anybody else? Yes, Nora, try.
Can you tell the question once more?
Yeah, the third question, my dear. Please read it on your own.
What did the greedy monkey do when he saw the pea fall? The greedy monkey ran down to pick up the fallen pea. He dropped more peas from his paw while
Not
trying
paw,
to find
from
the-
his paw.
from his paw while trying to find the last pea.
Very good, very good. You have tried to give me the answer very well. Anunaya,
Thank
are you
you,
able to
ma'am.
recollect now? Thank you,
Yes,
Nora.
ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
So you tell me the answer now. Come on, you can speak in your own words. Not an issue at all.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. What did the greedy monkey do when he saw the pea fall? He was sitting on the branch of the tree. So will he go up or climb down? The pea would fall down, right?
Yes.
So the monkey has to climb down. So think like that and tell me the answer. Come on, it's okay, fine. We all make mistakes and then learn. So it's fine, no problem. The greedy monkey.
Monkey take the pea from down.
No, first he has to climb down, right?
Yes.
He's sitting on the branch of the tree. Don't forget that. The greedy monkey climbed down or ran down.
Climb down.
To pick up the fallen pea.
To pick up the fallen pea.
And what happened when he climbed down? He had so many peas in his paws, right? What happened to all those peas?
What, ma'am?
What happened to all those peas when he climbed down the tree? What happened to all the peas in his hands? All the peas in his purse fell down, right? And did he get that one fallen pea?
And he get one.
Did he get? Finally, did the monkey get the one fallen pea? No, not at all. I think Anunaya has not read the lesson, right? Yes, that is the reason you are not able to give me the answers. My dear students, it is compulsory. You all are growing now, right? You need to read the lessons. I always instruct you to do that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All those who have read the lesson are able to
Yes.
give me the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
So, my dear students, all of you make it a point to read the lesson. Whenever you get a chance, if you are sitting freely also, you can do that. It doesn't take much time, but it will help you to understand as well as remember the answers. Please do that regularly, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So, let's move to the next part of the exercises. Rida, tell me the antonym of quickly.
Slowly.
Spelling?
SLOWLY.
Fantastic. Okay. Tiva, antonym of dropped. Antonym of dropped. Tiva, dropped. See, I dropped the pen. What did I do now? I dropped. So the antonym of dropped will be
Picked.
picked. Yes, P-I-C-K-E-D, picked. If the word given to you is in past tense form, try to write its antonym or meaning, whatever is asked, in the same tense form. If the word is in past tense, write the meaning or antonym also in the past tense form. Okay, try to do that. Tiva, tell me what is the antonym of dropped? Picked.
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 Yes. Okay, Tiva. Heaven, antonym of gain. Gain. Antonym of gain. Heaven is thinking. Ameya, antonym of gain.
Ma'am, lose.
Not lose. Loss. L-O-S-S. Loss. There is a change in one letter only. The last one.
Loss.
L-O-S-S. Loss.
Loss.
Okay. The antonym of gain is loss. Okay. Dia, antonym of rich.
Poor.
Poor. Spelling?
P-O-O-R.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Suhana, can you hear me? Past tense of think.
Ma'am?
Past tense of think.
Think.
Past tense of think.
Think.
Think. Past tense. Others are ready to answer. Yeah, very good. Niharika, past tense of think.
Thought.
Thought. Spelling?
T-H-O-U-G-H-T.
Very good. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Okay, well done. Past tense of try. Riza? Try. T-R-Y. Try.
Try. Ma'am.
Sorry?
Try.
Tried. Very good. T-R-I-E-D. Tried. Okay. Avantika,
Try.
past tense of sit.
Sat.
Thank you, Riza. Spelling?
S-A-T.
S-A-T. Sat. Okay, very good. Then past tense of eat. Janita.
Eight.
Spelling?
A-T-E.
A-T-E. Eight. Okay, very good. Now, I think we missed out the last
you, ma'am.
question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Who has not got a chance yet? Andrina. Andrina, unmute your device and read question number 4 and tell me the answer. Question number 4. Oh, Andrina is facing network issues. Okay, Aiden Rojo. Aiden Rojo.
Yes, ma'am. Who was watching the monkey from a
Yes, distance.
distance?
Mm.
The king was watching the monkeys from a distance.
Monkeys or monkey?
Monkey.
Yes, the king was watching the monkey from a distance. Okay, my dear students, I hope all of you are able to remember what
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have learned in that lesson. Are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, my dear students, once again for the exam, I request all of you to read all the lessons thoroughly, very carefully, read them. Because questions will definitely
ma'am.
be asked from within the lesson, inside the lesson. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so please read the
Yes.
lessons thoroughly and practice the question answers and other exercises of all the lessons, one by one. Slowly take your time and do it.
Yes, ma'am.
All the best for your exams. Okay? Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Okay, Janita. Okay. No need to read no need to learn the value-based questions. They are only for your
ma'am.
knowledge.
Okay.
Okay. I have already informed this in the classes, earlier classes,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. See you in the next
Thank you,
class.
ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.